Hi, I'm Troy Nachtigall. I'm the Professor of Fashion Technology at Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences. We are in Amsterdam, but we work for all of the Netherlands through a program called New Textico. The goal of my organization is digitalization, sustainability, and diversity, which I see as personalization, and we do this for all of society. My role is research professor, so I bring together different forms of SMEs and companies and help them push their research forward with social organizations and organizations representing the environment. I'm currently working on digital product passports and how they integrate with the textile labeling requirements and the market surveillance regulations so that the DPP doesn't end up as part of something, but is part of a larger whole. The latest innovation news of my organization is that we just created a road mapping toolkit to help companies do circular, and we call it circular loopholes. Circular loopholes allows companies to evaluate where they currently at and to set a North Star as they move forward from a data, business, material, and stakeholder point of view. I joined Textile ETP 6 years ago because I was really interested in how we could actually influence Brussels and really bring textiles to the forefront in a field that is very distributed. Oh, if I were to describe Textile ETP in 3 words, it would be network, digitalization, and the future.